Hi and welcome to this Blueberry Markets video update with me, John Kibler, head currency analyst. In this video we're going to be revisiting gold. Yesterday we talked about silver and today we're going to take a little look at gold as the two commodities are kind of lining up sort of similar. And what we've seen at the minute is gold is in this corrective state ahead of FOMC as well. The FOMC are expected to be dovish, and this has been expected for some time to be dovish. So any kind of talk or growth or anything like that could see the dollar strength punch its way through tonight, and this would lead to gold downside. Okay, so what we're looking at in particular is the fact that gold has come back and revisited these previous structural lows around that 1306 resistance zone. So if we just dive down into a lower time frame and just take a little bit of a zoom out, this is what we saw. We saw this nice little impulse move to the downside. Okay, the market then had a nice little pullback through here. Okay, so you can see this corrective structure forming, and then something like that. Okay, so we have this channel forming. All right, so this was the impulse. This is the correction. Are we going to see an impulse again? And what we saw this morning was that price was breaking out of this corrective structure. So we were alerted to kind of our opportunity round about here, looking for those shorts. And what we saw was that price rallied back into the 1306 and the retest of the trendline resistance. Now the market's starting to punch lower again. This is good. We want to see this extra confirmation down in here. Now the key low actually comes in around about 1301s. Okay, so this little area in here, this is where we want to see the market break out before continuing to the downside. Okay, so nice little punch lower, close below, again followed by another lower low, lower close, confirming that we have a new low in there. Look for the pullback, look for the continuation trades all the way back down into sort of these 1294 lows and even lower. Okay, so this is what we're looking at on gold. If the FOMC do come out and say anything to do with growth, I mean, they are predicted to, continue their stance from January, where they were discussing, waiting and relying on the data and being patient with any kind of growth. But if they do come out and say, look, we are still open to hiking interest rates, then we should see the US dollar gain strength, which should see gold move lower. Okay, so keep your eyes out for that. I hope you enjoyed this video update. If you're watching here on YouTube, please like and subscribe. If you're watching here on TradingView, follow us here. We post regular updates. Okay, thanks guys. Speak to you soon.